Now let's make this practical. These are the IT areas where automation usually delivers the biggest impact first. We have the continuous monitoring, faster alerting, earlier threat detection, less reliance on manual checking. Again, area 1, security monitoring. Security monitoring is one of the clearest automation wins. Manual checking isn't enough anymore. Automated monitoring detects and responds faster. Patch management is very critical. Delayed updates are a major source of risk. Consistent patching improves security and stability. Backups aren't just about running jobs anymore. Actually, they never were. They must be monitored, verified, and tied to a recovery plan. Automation makes that very reliable and much easier because it is very time-consuming to verify and monitor backups. Inconsistent access management also increases the risk. Automation will help standardize onboarding, offboarding, and permissions. Compliance is often hard because of documentation. Automation helps track the activity and proves the controls that are being followed. Who logged into what, when, who has access to what folder or system, etc. Automation should not create more complexity, and the SMB automation framework, the automate the routine IT work, monitor systems, etc. This should be something that helps you out. So it should not mean more confusion or more disconnected tools, more work to manage. It should really mean simpler operation, better coordination, etc.